Illinois, often referred to as the land of Lincoln and the Prairie State, is a diverse and vibrant state located in the heart of the American Midwest. With its rich history, bustling urban centers, and picturesque rural landscapes, Illinois offers a unique blend of cultural, economic, and natural attractions. Here is a more detailed description of the state of Illinois. Geographical diversity. Illinois' geography is incredibly varied, offering a wide range of landscapes and natural beauty. In the north, the state enjoys the stunning shoreline of Lake Michigan, providing not only scenic views but also opportunities for beachgoers, boaters, and watersport enthusiasts. As you venture south, the flat and fertile prairies give way to rolling hills, lush forests, and unique rock formations, particularly in the Shawnee National Forest, a gem in southern Illinois. Each region of the state provides a different experience, making it a destination for nature enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. Historical significance. Illinois holds a prominent place in American history. It is most famously associated with Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, who spent much of his life in Springfield, the state capital. The Abraham Lincoln Presidential Library and Museum in Springfield is a testament to his legacy, showcasing artifacts and interactive exhibits that bring history to life. The state's historical significance extends beyond Lincoln, as it played a pivotal role in the westward expansion of the United States, exemplified by the Illinois and Michigan Canal and the growth of Chicago as a transportation and trading hub. Cultural hub. Chicago, the largest city in the state and the third largest in the United States, is a cultural powerhouse. Known for its world-class museums, theaters, music scene, and iconic architecture, Chicago is a melting pot of diverse cultures and traditions. The Art Institute of Chicago, the Museum of Science and Industry, and Millennium Park, with its famous Cloud Gate sculpture, are just a few of the cultural treasures found in the city. Chicago's skyline is a testament to human ingenuity, with architectural landmarks like the Willis Tower, formerly known as the Sears Tower, and the John Hancock Center gracing the cityscape. Economic influence. Illinois is a major economic player, with Chicago serving as a global financial center and a hub for numerous Fortune 500 companies. The state's economy is diverse, with thriving industries in finance, manufacturing, technology, agriculture, and healthcare. Chicago's O'Hare International Airport is one of the busiest in the world, connecting the state to a global network of businesses and travelers. Educational excellence. Illinois boasts a strong education system, home to prestigious universities like the University of Illinois, Northwestern University, and the University of Chicago. These institutions are at the forefront of research and innovation, contributing to the state's position as a leader in various fields, including science, technology, and healthcare. Natural beauty. Nature lovers can explore the lush Shawnee National Forest in southern Illinois, with its stunning rock formations, rugged trails, and opportunities for birdwatching and wildlife viewing. Starved Rock State Park, along the Illinois River, offers canyons, waterfalls, and a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Additionally, Lake Michigan provides opportunities for water-based recreation along the state's northeastern border, including boating, fishing, and relaxing on sandy beaches. Sports enthusiasm. Illinois residents are passionate about sports, with the city of Chicago hosting major teams in various sports leagues, including the Chicago Cubs, MLB, White Sox, MLB, Bulls, NBA, Bears, NFL, and Blackhawks, NHL. Attending a game at iconic venues like Wrigley Field or the United Center is a quintessential Chicago experience and a testament to the state's sports culture. In summary, Illinois is a state of contrasts, where the urban meets the rural, and history mingles with modernity. It's a place where you can explore the architectural wonders of Chicago, immerse yourself in the legacy of Abraham Lincoln, or venture into the state's natural wonders. Illinois truly offers a little something for everyone, making it a fascinating and dynamic state in the heart of the American Midwest, ready to welcome all who seek a taste of its rich culture, history, and natural beauty.